Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little demo and mini review of the Nume Megastar straightener. Nume was nice enough to send this to me for free. Thank you so much, Nume. I am just so excited to use it and show you guys how much I've been loving it and how I get my perfectly straight hair. So if you guys want to see how I get my hair nice and straight and hear my thoughts on this straightener, then keep watching. Before I get into today's video, I just want to say thank you to Nume for emailing me asking if I would like to become a brand ambassador for them, and that was probably one of the coolest emails I have ever received because I absolutely love Nume's products. I've been using their Lustrum set for 6 years now, I think, and I've done a ton of hair tutorials on it. Like, if you just go to my hair tutorial playlist, anytime I have curly hair, I'm using the Lustrum set because it is that good. It is amazing. It is worth every penny. So I was, like I said, super excited to become a brand ambassador for them. So I do have my own coupon code. It is Kristen25. It is linked down below. If you just scroll down in my description box, I have something that says I'm an affiliate, and then in parentheses it's a win-win situation for me and you because you get to save some money and I do make a little money from you using my code. So I'm really excited to let you guys know that I'm now a brand ambassador for Nume, and you can use my code for all of their products. And like I said, their products are totally worth the money. They are kind of pricey, but 100% worth it. So Nume did send me their Megastar straightener, so thank you so much, Nume, for sending this to me. This does retail for $169, but if you use my coupon code, it comes out to this price. I don't remember. I literally did the math for you guys and I already forgot the total, but it is totally worth it. So I'm going to show you guys how I use it and how nice it straightens my hair, and I'm just going to give you like a little review on it. So some of the features on here is that it is 100% tourmaline ceramic. It heats up from 190 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and in Celsius that's 90 degrees to 230 degrees. It has a 1-inch precision engineered floating plates, digital temperature control, far infrared rays, integrated infrared conditioning heat strip. It's 1,000% more negative ion technology, 60-minute automatic shut off, which you should always turn off your straightener and unplug it once you're done using it, just because it's safer that way. Dual voltage, perfect for travel. Superior components, heats up in seconds. No tugging, one pass glide. Multi-purpose styling tool. It straightens, curls, and flips, and sleek ergonomic design. So I really like that the temperature control is digital. That is the one thing I love because my Chi does not have that, and it has that little turn thing, and it's really confusing and hard to use at times, and it moves around when I don't notice. So that, I think, is the best feature, honestly. So this is what the straightener looks like itself. As you could see right here, those are the buttons to turn it on and make the temperature go up and down. Then right here's the screen where the temperature, where you could see it, and then this thing, I don't know how good you could see it, but this clear thingy right here, that's just the light that tells you when it's on and all that fun stuff. So the plates are really nice. I don't know if you could tell, this is really confusing, but this one you could see has this clear stuff on the side, and that is where the infrared is, and then this is just your typical ceramic plate. So honestly, I think it does live up to the claims. There is definitely no tugging, and you can use it as a one-pass glide. I've only been using this to straighten my hair. Every time I try to curl my hair with a straightener, it is just a disaster. So I will definitely play around with curling my hair with this, and once I get that down pat, I will definitely do a video for you guys because I did it once and it came out so nice, and I just never been able to do it again. So I'm just going to show you guys how I straighten my hair with this, and so you guys can see what it looks like for yourself. Before I begin, I just took my hair out of the ponytail and I'm just going to brush my hair. I use a wet brush. I just really like the wet brush. And my hair, this is pretty much my natural hair, air dried, kind of straight, has a weird wave to it, I'm sure, right now, because that's my hair. To prep my hair, I'm just going in with this R+CO High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. This is used for moisturization and softening your hair. It also helps drown out the frizz, which is perfect because it's super humid today. I'm just going to use a little bit of this, that much, and smell it because this is the first time I'm using it, but just going to put this in my hair. I typically like to use these products more towards the bottom of my hair, like mid shaft to the bottom. I don't really like focusing it near the root because it can weigh down your hair and make it look like a little greasy looking, so I try not to do that. The straightener is plugged in now, so before I turn it on, I'm just going to take my hair tie and section my hair. I just kind of do like a half up kind of thing. Nothing neat, I just really do it sloppily, and I'll put it in like a little sloppy bun. I don't really think this part needs to be perfect. And then I just go in the back and section my hair and bring it to the front so I can see what I'm doing. So the straightener is not plugged in yet, so now it is on. It says 450 degrees, but I'm going to lower it to 430, and you can just watch how fast it heats up, which is really quick and super cool. Watching in the mirror behind you guys so I know when it is heated up, and we are almost at 300 degrees. Super duper quick. I like it at 430. I just think it's like the perfect temperature. 450 is a little too hot for me. It is finally at 430 degrees. So I'm basically going to take just sections of my hair, and I pretty much do 2 passes just because my hair can be stubborn and does what it wants. And yeah, so I just go in. It's obviously hard to get the back of your head, so I just try my best, but this is what the first side looks like. Super straight. I like my hair to be pretty pin straight, just because, why not? And I don't really take the same sections, I just take what I feel. So I really like this straightener because I feel like, honestly, it cuts my straightening in half. I feel like before I got this, I used to just take such a long time, and now it's just so much quicker, which is so nice. Perfect for when I have work earlier in the mornings and I just, need to get out the door quickly and I want to, make my hair nice. So once this is done, the bottom layer, I'm just going to go to the top here, and again, I just split my hair in half, and I kind of just like comb it with my fingers. Honestly, I don't go back in with the brush just because it makes life easier. And then I pretty much do the same thing, so I'm just going to speed this part up. For the front pieces, I do straighten it a little bit more because it just needs a little more love, and for some reason those pieces curve it a little bit more. Always want to make sure you get those stubborn pieces in the back that kind of like, for me, just the way my hair grows in, it like bumps up. Once I'm done, I'm just going to kind of brush my hair a little bit just to make sure there's no tangles, because that will happen. And then this is what it pretty much looks like once it is all straightened. Next, I'm going to go in with this R+CO Death Valley Dry Shampoo, and I just want to add a little bit of volume and body to my hair because it is a little flat. So I'm just going to kind of go in like this. This smells so good. And then just massage this into my scalp. And then I'm just gonna brush my hair one more time, again, for knots and tangles. And then once I'm always done, I just kind of section it to the side because I just wear my hair to the side. That's just how my hair likes to go. You section it how you want. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So right here for me never really gets like super pin straight because I have weird hair growing there. But yeah, this is just how I get my hair nice and pin straight using the Nume Megastar straightener. I definitely recommend this to you guys. It is a really, really good straightener. My Nume products have lasted me such a long time. Like I said, I've had my curling irons for 6 years, which I feel like is a pretty long time in hair tool world. And they work amazingly. Like I said in the beginning, I do have a discount code with Nume. It is linked down below if you guys want to use it. Thank you so much. Nume has a ton of good products on their site. They have hair styling products, they have shampoo, they have conditioner, they have, I think, like, you know, creams like this kind of thing. They have a ton of hair tools. Highly recommend them. They are an amazing, amazing brand. And that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always down in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions or just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. If you're following me on all my social media and leaving comments, that gives you a chance to get a shout out in my next video. All you just have to make sure you're doing is make sure you're following me on Twitter because I always retweet for a shout out. And you know, if you retweet my tweet, you get a shout out. If you are following me on Instagram, I'll ask questions in my captions or on my stories. And if you answer those, you can get a shout out in my videos. Or like I said, if you just leave a nice comment, you can get a shout out as well. This week's shout out is right here. Thank you so much for all your love and support. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.